Hi, welcome to Mosaic Made Easy and the Gaudi inspired Trencadis frame class. Thank you so much for joining me. We are going to have a great experience. We're going to learn how to transform this frame into this beautiful, one-of-a-kind piece of art. It'll be the only one like it in the universe, and I think you're going to have a great time in this class. The next thing we're going to do is I'm going to review all the materials and tools with you before we ever start the class. So you're going to know what they look like, and then after that you're going to learn how to use them safely. We're going to take our time step by step, and I think you already know that this video is yours to keep forever. So you can stop, pause, go back, look at it over. You'll have a PDF that you can print out of every step that we do. And if at any time you feel a little nervous about one of the steps or you're not sure you're doing it right, just contact me. Send me an email. You can send me a picture. If you want me to call you and you're in the States, put your phone number on there too. I just want you to know that at the end of this class, you're going to know how to do all of these things and feel very comfortable about it. And I want you to have the same experience that I do. I started out totally self-taught. I've never had a mosaic class, actually. I've read a lot of books on art so that I can learn to do things better. But everything I did was experimenting, was trial and error, and just discovering how to do things. So the way that I teach is based on all of that. And every teacher brings something else to the table. So even though you're taking this beginner's class, you might want to take one from someone else. They might teach it totally differently. But I'm going to make sure that you have everything you need. I am including all of my beginner class handouts, even if it was a different project, to make sure that you're familiar with all the tools and all the techniques that mosaic artists use. And so if you're a beginner, you're just taking this because you want to do this particular project. Beginners, when you're done, you're not going to be a beginner anymore. You're going to be a mosaic artist. And I want you to have the same outcome that I did the first time, and 25 years later, the last one, is when I'm done, I stand back and I'm like, wow, that's really pretty. I made it, and I feel like an artist. And it would just give me so much joy to see that smile on your face and for you to feel the same way. So let's get started.